Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to set device type for your earbuds HUAWEI FreeBuds Pro 4 on your Android device. You have to start by open Settings, then go to the Bluetooth or connected devices. At the device list, click the information icon or settings icon near to your earbuds. And I have it at the bottom. You may have it at the beginning, it depends on Android phone. So you need to tap at the audio device type line, or you may have only device type line, not audio device type. In this window, you need to select headphones. We just set it, so as you can see, this device used headphones device type, so we did it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!